Adding your Google Calendar to DAKboard is easy. I'll show you how in today's DAKboard tutorial. With a predefined screen, go to the Calendar tab and select Enable Calendar. For your custom screen, start by adding a calendar block and click Edit. Head over to Link a New Account and select Google Calendar from the drop-down. Follow the prompts to grant DAKboard access. Once completed, go back to your DAKboard screen and select your desired calendars. Click Save, and that's it! Go ahead and preview your screen to make sure it's the look you want. Make sure you check out DAKboard's support page and Reddit board. There you can find lots of helpful articles and insight from other users. Don't forget to follow us!